USD CAD is in downtrend or uptrend? Should we look for the buy trades today because the price has been going upward for the last 4 candles of 4H time frame, or we have already missed the trade opportunity here at this point? If yes, then what is the next trading opportunity in this currency pair? Let's try to find out the answers of all these questions in this video. So let's start the video. Hi boss, welcome back to Crypto Trader. We are currently in 4H time frame and trying to find out any possible trading opportunities in USD CAD currency pair today. Well, we are in a downtrend because the price has completed its 1 2 3 move, and now we are in a pullback phase. The very important point to focus is that this pullback actually started exactly from a previous level of structure. This is the major area of value for the price because it has been tested and reacted by the price recently in the past. So when the price was coming down, there were bright chances that the price gets some bounce out of this major structure zone, and it did exactly the same. So in this scenario, it looks like we have already missed the buy opportunity here. The price provided us in this support zone. Now the point is the price can go up or go down from where it is trading at the moment. So we have to be prepared for every move of the market. Now if the price goes up from this point, then we have to find out the next expected stop for the price. For this purpose, we make our trend path to find out the next possible resistance levels for the price. So let's do it. Starting from this point, this is our high, this is our low, high, low, high, and this is our most recent low. Now you know the previous swing low and the most recent swing high are the two possible resistance level for the price in the pullback phase of a downtrend. So these two levels are important for us to look for the possible short opportunity to remain in the downtrend. First resistance level is at around $1.2771, and the second resistance level is at around $1.2814. Now if the price goes down from this point, this support zone is the area we should focus to look for the possible double bottom and open our long position here, because this is the major area of values for the price. So we may have a double bottom here, but if we do not get any double bottom here, then obviously the price will break and close below this zone. If it happens, then wait for a pullback into this zone and find a trend continuation trade here at this major area of values for the price. This is all for USD CAD analysis today. You can do your own research and do not consider it a financial advice. Good luck. Happy trading.